Hey everyone, Vinny here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and easy to use Excel tools for logistics and business planning. We work with logistics companies, service providers, and small to medium businesses to help them save time and cut out repetitive work. And today I want to share a quick story about Jennifer, a regional manager who solved one of her company's biggest headaches using our Excel Store Locator. So Jennifer manages a 47 location pharmacy chain, and one morning as she opened her morning inbox, she found an urgent email from corporate that said, "Hey, listen, we've been hearing from our customers saying it's hard for them to figure out which one of our stores is the closest to them. Some of them said they even went to competitors because it was just quicker to find where to go. Fix this by Friday." She had 3 days and zero budget for a web developer. The quotes she got ranged from $5,000 to $15,000, and even the popular software solution charged nearly $300 a month. Meanwhile, her IT team was already buried in projects for the next 6 months. Then Jennifer came across one of our videos about the Excel Store Locator. She realized she could build exactly what she needed right inside Excel, no coding, no installations, and no monthly fees. She opened the file, pasted the addresses of her 47 stores, added a list of customer locations, click calculate, and that was it. In Excel, instantly got matched each customer with the nearest pharmacy using real driving distances and travel times directly from Google Maps. In less than 45 minutes, she had a fully working store finder all inside Excel. No developers, no subscriptions, no waiting. And the results were immediate. Her team could now tell customers the nearest store in seconds, and the company stopped losing sales to competitors. Our Excel Store Locator is built for business owners and managers who want fast results without complicated setup. It runs completely in Excel. Just paste your data, click a button, and let it do the work. Watch doing its magic. You own it for life, no ongoing fees, and is backed by world-class support and 100% money-back guarantee. And businesses love our Excel tools because they're simple, affordable, and save hours every week. More than 150 customers have shared how Excel tools have completely changed how they work, from pharmacies and clinics to HVAC retailers and delivery services. If your business still relies on manual location matching or you're paying for expensive tools, try the Excel Store Locator today. It's the easiest way to match customers to your nearest branch, reduce lost sales, and make your workflow more efficient. You can download it right now at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com or click the link in the description below. A single user license is $97, a multi-user license is $187, both one-time payments, no subscriptions or hidden fees. And if you also need a custom Excel solution for your business, feel free to reach out to me directly via phone, email, or live chat on our website. I'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out next time saving Excel tool. Thanks for watching, and until next time.